Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we would like to learn 4 most common Python data types in 1 minute. Let's dive in. Python automatically assigns a data type when you create a variable. For example, here we are having a variable called name and the Alice is assigned to it. So this is a string or str. For the text we use it. Then we are having the variable called age and number 30 is assigned to it. This is an integer or int. We call it, used for whole numbers. And then we are having a variable called height and the number 165 is assigned to it. This is a float, a number with a decimal. Finally, we are having the is student assigned to be true. And this is a Boolean data type. So, or we call it bool, which is just true or false. And in order to check the data type of a variable, we can use the type function like type, name, type age, type height, and type student. And when we print them, we can see the result in the output that is going to return the data type of the variables that we just mentioned. So this is quick, clean, and now you know your data types. Thank you.